hindi madali yung, can you go to the first line? Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the show. Gabby, can you do it again? Good evening, give me another texture. Good evening, ladies. Gabby, you memorize the first lines.
Yeah.
Not a hint of, pagod na ako. Not a hint of, alam ko na yon. Ang gaan mong i-mentor.
Ay, naiiyak
No,
ako!
totoo yun.
Thank you,
Can I
Tito
tell you
Boy.
something? That's why Bianca Gonzalez is one of the best.
Yeah.
To this very day. Alam mo nung nagbukas ang PBB, parang ikaw.
Naiiyak ako.
Oo, totoo yun.
Birthday ko ba? Tito
Hindi.
Boy!
I just wanna let you know because we don't have the time. Hindi naman natin napapag-usapan ang mga ito
Yeah.
pag tayo nagse-sessions. But I truly appreciate it because I want people to understand na you are where you are today not by accident. You work so hard.
Yeah, thank you, Tito Boy. Oh my God. And I love learning from you.
Oh,
I
yeah.
love learning
Thank
from
you.
you. I love learning.
No, ako naman, I love mentoring you. Kasi ang bukas na bukas ka. But
Tito
look at
Boy.
you today.
I know.
Di ba? Pag kayo ba nagkakasama ni Robbie, naalala niya si Gretchen mo?
Tito Boy nga sinasabi ko, ako lang to ha.